Oh, ah, pray without ceasing. What did I say? Pray, 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 pray. Seasoning. Hallelujah. Hello, beautiful and amazing pathfinders. It's your baby girl here again, Frida, and I welcome you all to another beauty video. Happy weekend to you all, fam. Hope you all are doing well. Yeah, don't worry. I, for one, I'm doing very well. To God be the glory. Yes, today's video is actually all about this wig that I'm wearing right now, and I'm so excited because I'm going to be showing someone how to realize this. Okay, feel free to make different colors for yourself. Okay, and don't go and tell someone it's Zuma hair. You heard me right. If I catch you telling someone, oh, it's Zuma hair, it's Zuma hair, after watching this video, forward it to 1 or 2 persons to be able to help our fellow women of color. All right, today I'm going to be showing you simply how to realize this wig, and my next video I'm going to be showing you how you can create the colors before you make your wig. All right, so you can have both videos married together. Don't worry, I'm going to be uploading that one pretty soon because I don't want this one to be too long like the previous one. All right, so that is the reason why I just decided to segment it. All right, so after this one, just wait for the next one. The next one is coming pretty soon, so you can have everything for yourself and to yourself alone. Watch it carefully and make your wig. All right, you can even make and sell. And that reminds me, and as regards our previous Ghana braids wig tutorial, a lot of people sent me DMs and they were like, I don't have the equipment, can you make for me? Yes, of course, this is my job. All right, I do make for people. All right, and if you want to make it for yourself, go to AliExpress. You'll be able to get everything. Everything that I used in that video is from AliExpress. All right, and this very one too, you can get any of the equipment from AliExpress. So feel free to buy your own and make for yourself. But if you want me to make for you, irrespective of the country you are, don't worry, your own is going to be a very special package. All right, it's going to be, if you know, that one that is coming directly from the factory. Don't worry, I do make for people and I do ship to other countries as well. So feel free to contact me. Check my description box and in the comment section as well, and you will be able to find how to contact me there. You can contact me via Facebook or Instagram. All right, so let's get right into this video. In my previous video, I actually spoke about the crochet pins. All right, so I have the big one and the medium size. So the one I actually needed to use on that part where I was using needle was this particular one. Okay, this one is very tiny. This one is the one you need for your baby hairs. I think it came in, I think it's up to 8 in a packet. All right, so this one is the one you need to crochet the smaller part. All right, which is the finishing. This one is the one you need for the finishing. If you watch that video, I think I'm going to be leaving a link also in the description area. If you watch it on how to make your Ghana braids, if you watch it, you will see that I was using needle. Then I was expecting them to bring this one. All right, so now I've got the 3. I think I have different types now. This one has a little bit, has another one that is a little bit bigger than this, and I think smaller than this as well. Okay, So all these things, the mannequin head, this one, I got them from AliExpress. All right, so let's get right into today's tutorial. And here is our hair. Okay, as you can see. Ooh, so beautiful. Okay, can you see that? It's so beautiful. And I'm going to be opening them one after the other. So before you start, you just get your hair. Wow, this is beautiful. Just get your hair and trim off the tip. All right, then you start opening. Okay, so the choice is now yours. After opening it like this, okay, if you want your coils to be very thick, then you can crochet it like this. Okay, but if you don't want your coils to be very thick, then you go ahead and open. As you can see, be very careful when you're opening, although the coils are intact, so you can see. So I'm going to be opening mine, all right, before I crochet. So each strands, I'm going to be opening them. Now watch me, I'm using the big size. This is the net. This is where I got it from. This one as well, I bought it from AliExpress. Okay, so I just shaping this one to the size of the place I'm going to be fixing it, and now I'm going to be sewing. If you're feeling very lazy, maybe to trim your hair, you don't want it to go all over the house, the best place for you to trim your hair or your weave on or to comb your hair is your bathtub. All right, I just brought it here right now to the bathroom and placed this foam mannequin head on a mop stick. Here I am. I'm giving it a very nice trim. When I'm done, I will just pick the hair inside the bathtub, throw them away, then I will rinse off the remaining particles. It's done. So your hair is not going to be all over your house. All right, and I'm going to be wetting it right now. I'm giving it a very good spray right now to take off all the brittles. All right, so it's better you do everything in the bath to have all the brittles of the hair, you know, go down the drain. It's not good for you to take it to your dressing room. Okay, so when you are done doing that, when you're done spraying, just comb with your hands and take off all the rough brittles. Then you are good to go and style your hair in front of the mirror in the living room or wherever you want to go and style your hair. And right now, after that, just go ahead and wear your wig. It has adjustable elastic. All right, inside. Ooh. Yeah. Don't go and tell someone that this is Zuma hair if I catch you. What you have to do, forward this video to someone to make different colors for herself, okay? You can make blue, yellow, red, green. Honestly, fam,